lead. The car corner pace car ducks on down. Here they come. Green flag and we're racing. It's 2020. And it's going to be Matson Snow. Snow going to try to creep out with the lead. Scott Ingram going to follow him. The Tiger going to, maybe doesn't like the inside. Or she's letting her man go by. I don't know. We got a battle in the back with all the new drivers, but it's going to be Todd Snow with Scott Ingram right on his back bumper. Scott Ingram looks like he might get him a little push. Maybe going to look the dive bomb inside move, and here he goes. It's the slingshot engaged Ricky Bobby move. Will he do it? He's coming around. It's Scott Ingram. They cannot go faster than 16.4. I hope they remember. So far, so good. As Scott Ingram is now your new leader. Once again, this is our slow heat for our Bandit series. In the back, you got a battle between the 13 of Zach Legner and the 11 of Mike Gassell. As the 79 car of Jeremy Watson is going to take it off the pits. I guess he hasn't got it figured out just yet. Maybe it's because he only has a number on one side of the car. But the battle's in the back between Legner and Gassell. And it's Ingram who's going to try to put it in cruise control. And then there's Todd Snow, Ashley Matz. That's your top three. Boy, that would be something if the lead car got hit for going too fast and he was pulling that far away. Wouldn't that be something? I hope not. But you never know. We're at Rockford. Like I said, let's see how this first race goes. This is an 8-lap heat race. So far, so good with one in the pit. So that's a good sign to the 2020 season. Coming around here, Scott Ingram in a very comfortable lead. Let's see, where's the action? Well, we're close between third and fourth. Will Legner catch Matz, or will Gassell catch Legner? Maybe not. I bet you the American flag might be used as a, maybe for aerodynamics. Maybe it's slowing them down. Hard to say. But it's a cool looking flag, definitely our country's flag, that's right. Coming around to take the checkered, it's going to be Scott Ingram, followed by Todd the Moose Snow, the Tiger Ashley Matz, Zach Legner, and Mike Gassell. Jeremy Watson not quite being able to finish that race, so hopefully he will get it figured out and be back for the feature. Well, that was a good, safe race. Nobody hit the wall. We didn't have the tow truck have to go to work already. I think we're going to have a great racing season. So Scott Ingram's going to pull it in the middle of the field there. Nice looking green car. Don't have too much about him. I know he's from Grundy County, races there usually. Didn't get a chance to talk to him as he showed up just a little late. Definitely will have information on him next time. As he's going to get out of the car, I think. Let's see what's going to happen. Man, I know it's hot. I know he wants to get out and have a little bit of fresh air. It's hot. You think it's hot sitting in the stands. It's hot in those cars. All right. Let's give him a warm Rockford Speedway welcome. It is Scott Ingram.